up, you guys? Welcome to our Halloween evening. Andre and I are going to take you through exactly what we're doing tonight. We just set up the outside area. I put on the fog machine and it's like a whole thing. This is as much as I'm dressing up tonight. I'll show you like the full dress. We have trick-or-treaters. Carl's being babysat so that we can adequately accommodate said trick-or-treaters. We are going to go out to dinner once all the trick-or-treating is done. Let me show you this thing. I just have to press this. Every time that the red light goes on, I can press it. I think that's how it works. It's scaring the patooties out of little kids, which I kind of love. And then the smoke is going off the balcony into the steps. Incredible. Let me show you the front step. It's a really nice night out, actually. Oh, the smoke is actually working. Oh my gosh. So I lit like a bunch of little flameless candles out here. I love it. It's a full spooky mood. And then I put out my Mickey lights out here. Do we love it? All the candy is ready to go. I've got more over here, and then I've got backup boxes because this ain't my first rodeo. So I turned on I think all of the fairy lights and all of the lights in the house. We're having friends over for drinks and then we're gonna go to dinner. This is a Halloween tradition for us, by the way. At the end of October, once I'm done my videos, Andre and I go out to, the Canadians will know what this is. There's this restaurant called The Keg, and we go every single October 31st, pretty much. So right now I have this like creepy coffee shop ambiance music going. Can you hear it? It's so good. It's kind of like my jazz music that I was listening to, but like two skeletons are having coffee, so I'm kind of into it. But what we're gonna do now, we just finished our last daily grind. We're gonna finish off with our last Hollow Wishes of the year. Nighttime ritual. So good. Okay, make a margarita with me, but we're gonna make it spooky. Lighting my glow sticks to add to my DIY. If you saw my DIY, I did like eyes in the bushes. I called it like, what did I call it? Like a magic garden or something, or a monster garden. Super simple. So I'm gonna go add to these just to, you know, entice the trick-or-treaters. And cool, but not that cool fact about Angie, I had a mishap of a glow cube when I was a kid after a Backstreet Boy concert, and I got the glow stick, or not glow cube, I'm so Disney, the glow stick in my eye. So I'm like, I have PTSD and I'm like terrified of glow sticks, so I always crack them like with my face away. So if you have young ones, be careful with glow sticks. It's ready. It's amazing. Ooh, it's strong. There we go. There we go. Now it's a vibe. You have customers. I was so much louder as a kid. I was like, okay, we're setting up for cocktail hour. This is live right now. Andre didn't see it yet. And our newfound Harry Potter fan, do you know what this is? Welcome to cocktail hour. I caved and I did my hair. Now we're gonna go to dinner as a vibe. Okay, I'm gonna move my little DIY project. His name is Gus, apparently. You guys taught me that. He was one of my fave moments. Oh. You have customers.
More customers.
Go.
This might be a challenge.
Go.
Doing a video right now?
No.
Hello.
They're so polite. Kids in our neighborhood are so polite. Okay, so a couple things. We just finished up the daily grind and we announced something kind of exciting. I have to word it, I'm gonna word it different.
Exciting.
I'm gonna word it differently than how I did on the daily grind, because everyone was like, oh no, and I was like, no, the outcome is positive. So I decided to not close up shop, between now and December, which is what I usually do. I don't usually post. Go get them! I don't usually post at all throughout November. I'm gonna keep posting, I'm not stopping. We're just gonna switch up the content so you don't have to wait till December. And the outcome, aw, cute.
You guys done a really nice job. Thank you. No credit, that was my wife. Well,
I can't take the credit, it's my wife. That's so nice. So the outcome is positive. There will be more than 31 videos posted throughout the months of November and December, and this way you don't have to wait for holiday content. We're gonna jump right into it.
I'm excited.
I'm excited to be able to, honestly, to not hold back till December. Like usually I wait to decorate and I wait, and I feel like I only experience the holiday months between December 1st and 31st. Now it's like, let's freaking go, let's just do it.
I like that idea.
And then that way I get to enjoy myself too, but I get to put out more consistent content. And that's the goal.
And you can, if possible, you can like step up your game with decorating because you'll have more time to do it because you're not editing videos all
Can I tell you something I discovered this season that's like my favorite?
Me or them?
Well, I'll tell you.
All of us.
DIYs.
You're enjoying your DIYs.
Can I show you my DIY?
Yeah, go see it. Go
Can I show you my DIY? It's
Wait,
not.
Is that our house making that red across the street? No shot, right?
No.
Okay.
No. But I should turn on the fog machine. That's not my DIY, but I'll show you my DIY. You want to press the fog button? Press. Oh no, it's the neighbors. It's okay. Okay, look, watch. Press on. Press the second one, the lower one. Okay, go. Yeah. You love it?
It's pretty awesome.
It was a good investment, right?
It was something.
You know what we should turn on? The bubble wand. We should turn on the bubble wand.
Does this thing stay on or do I turn it off?
It goes on its own. It'll turn off and back on its own. Okay, come see my DIY. So it's not gonna be done. If you wanna see the finished product, I'm guessing it'll be on my TikTok. That's what I'm thinking. Oh, and Carl's costume was incredible. Okay, so we're like well on our way. This is Audrey 2. I rewatched the movie. Now, the reason why this is so special is you guys have told me for years now, you gotta watch Little Shop of Horrors. I love it so much. So I made a little Audrey. So I'm gonna print the can, like a little Maxwell can. Like, listen, it's gonna be a full work of art with some moss, but look at the veins on there. I mean, this is no joke. Oh, and I made her, okay, Andre was like, that tongue looks way too real. So I painted the tongue because I'm not gonna be able to put it in her mouth once it's, okay, so the tongue. Creepy, right? I think the tongue needs to go a little bit more in. It's not, like, listen, you're not Gene Simmons here. Oh, good, right? Okay, so I will keep you guys posted on that. I'll probably post it on my Instagram and on my TikTok, so definitely go follow on there. If you didn't see Carl's costume, go check out my Instagram and my TikTok. I posted it. This is your hint. Oh, we need a picture of me and him. He's gone to get babysat so that we could enjoy this, and there's no better way to cap off this video. I should really just decorate with this. I'm gonna put it on the balconies. It's bubbles for the whole neighborhood.
That bubble wand was a good investment.
It was the best investment.
You got a lot of airtime off it.
I need a Christmas one. That's what I take from this. All right, you guys, from the both of us, thank you so much for being a part of our 31 days. You guys mean the world. You're literally what keep me going. It's not easy to do these videos. It's kind of crazy. And to do these as well as the 31 videos on the Daily Grind page live every single day is crazy bananas bonkers, but you guys literally make it worth it. So thank you. We love you. And we will not be seeing you tomorrow, but
soon.
Very soon. Like sooner than usual.
Like 2 days? 3
Yeah.
days?
Yeah. Like let me get a little snooze, get my cocktail on, cheers, and reconvene with a whole new vibe. I'll probably be wearing red. Bye you guys. Love you. Mwah.